Hello again everyone and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. Hope everyone's well. Nicely presented, lovely matte black blocks with the old insignia there. Let's just check this out, shall we? There you go. There's the puppy. Alright. Now, let's just lift this up here. Of course, we've got the Deutsch instructions. There you go. And then the English instructions, I'm guessing, from memory. Yep. Carrying instructions and the warranty. There you go. I'll put that, embed that in the video. Look at this. Let's get this out. Nicely wrapped. Recycle. I like that. Sustainable box. Always good. Let's pop this puppy out, people. Woohoo! Come on. Oh, yeah. Comes a pupper. Very nice. Bang on down the middle. Yes. That's what we want to see, don't we? Oh, that is nice. I like this. Let's pop this out. Boom. Nice. Look at that positive lockup. Absolutely lovely. Fits very good in the hand, let me tell you. Okay. Welcome, my friends. This is the BOKER WorldWide 2.0. Come on. Look at that. Isn't that not lovely? Now, I did like the Worldwide one. Okay. The first edition. The Mark 1, okay? However, it was a bit chunky, and but it was all right, and I sold it on, and I didn't review it in the end. But this, that was good. This is great. I can just tell straight away it's a step up compared to, there's some definite changes in here which I prefer, okay? It's going to make a better everyday carry, all right? Liking, you know, it's quite funny. For me, okay, I quite like the OD green, classic, okay, I enjoy the tactical overtones, especially for basic bushcraft tasks or outdoor use and such like, okay. However, I would prefer a satin or a stonewash blade, even though that blackwash is nice, you know, but it is what it is, okay. That's just me. Now, what have we got similar? Well, now, let's put this puppy here. We did, of course, have the Mark 1 version. Then we've got the BOKER, okay, XS. One-handed opening with the thumb stud and a nice finger choil here. A very good, robust, hard-use EDC. Okay, now this is going to be in the 2000 giveaway. So make sure you hit that notification button and subscribe. Okay, you've been warned. That's one of two things, you know, we'll see what's what, okay? So that's that, guys, okay? And then something very similar for me, okay, is this puppy. This is a real Stu Luna, okay, in a titanium version. But notice now the blade shape. You've got a nice long belly on her, okay? That nice elongated fuller, okay, or nail pull, if you will. The thing is, it's very similar, just deeper, which I actually like as well. Now, another thing which is actually quite similar, it's a little bit longer, this one, so I'm going to drop this down here, and this puppy, I did review this some time ago. This, of course, is the Black Fox Green Micarta, and there you go, quite similar in length, all right, and the drop point blade with a slight recurve. Now, look at that stonewash. Wouldn't that be nice than that as well as an option? But hey, that's just me. What do you think? Put it in the comments, okay, guys? And let's get back to this puppy. So, look at that. Lovely drop point blade. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely stunning. It's deep. It's strong. It's stout. It's just nice. Made to work, okay? It's going to be a hard-use knife, this will. For sure. 100%, okay? Decent full flat grind. It's going to be a super slicer, okay? A nice bit of belly on her. It's going to do all your EDC work, like I said. It's a great general purpose blade, the drop point. It really is. And this one is particularly good, okay? Any blade play? None. Not with that stock. Decent, like, lockup. Look at that, okay? Now, I've got XL hands, which is a 9.5 size 10, okay? I can just about get 4 fingers on there, but if you've got small, medium hands, even large hands, you'll be fine. But I get 3 fingers on there, my little pinky just there, and it's super comfortable, guys, okay? It really is very, very good. She rolls on the old phosphor bronze washers, which is nice, okay? Now, the nice little blades logo on there, of course, with BOKER on there, okay? And on the back, there you go, 440C carbon, okay, which is a budget still granted, but it's easy, very easy to maintain and holds a fairly decent edge, okay. Absolutely lovely. It really is. Now, very quickly. We've got a decent half stop there. Goes in a half stop quite nicely. Not exactly half, okay. I would like now, if you went into the half stop, it would actually cut you a little. It would nip you a little bit, okay. Now, what I would like is to see it like that, like on the reel still, okay. And a little half choil maybe taken out here, all right. So that's what I'm saying, guys. You know, nice little, that's lovely snap, decent. Nice walk and talk. Listen to that again. Lovely, very good walk and talk, and a great snap, even though it's G10, okay, which dampers the sound, okay. Very nice. I'm impressed, very impressed with this knife. Now, she pulls and breaks about, I'd say, between 7.5 and an 8, okay. So she's got a strong pull, which I like. Absolutely lovely. Really nice walk and talk. We got blacked out liners. Clean throughout. Yeah, blacked out spring, of course. Isn't that lovely? Oh, very nice, guys. Very nice. Absolutely lovely. Very nice. Okay, on the course, we have the blacked out deep carry. Well, not semi-deep carry pocket clip, if you will. I would like that deep carry, to be fair. They could have just moved that on over there a little bit and used that as one of the screws, possibly, so it could just go up or continue, you know, have this like projected pass, so it fold. You could screw it here, but it folds up to here. But anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is, and I'm happy to have a pocket clip on it anyway. Okay, nice G10 Odie Green G10 scale, super grippy in the UK temperate environment, especially in damp or wet conditions. Okay, for me, I would also like. I mean, it's great for the great value for money. I would like the option of my Carter scales as well, and also a D10 or a 14C28N steel. That would be nice in a stonewash finish. But it is what it is. Maybe with a 3.0. I'm sure they're going to do aftermarket stuff as well. But as an EDC, this is a workhorse, guys. Very, very good. Okay, really quite impressive. All right, now that pocket clip. Decent strong retention, okay. And the G10 scales is grippy, and it's going to be a good sure hold, like I said, okay. Now, we've also got a lanyard hole. It's about 4mm there, okay, 4mm, no, actually 3.5mm lanyard hole, which is handy. It's nice to have the option, all right. I'm very impressed with this. The fit and finish is excellent, guys. Overall, it's very good to excellent, okay. I'm really impressed for the money, for the price. No hot spots to report home about. That's why they've set that pocket clip lower down. But you could get away with that, okay. But anyway, I'm not going to go into that right now. But overall, guys, very, very good, okay. It's very good. It's great in the hand, actually. Surprisingly so. Is it sharp out of the box? Looking at that blade, yeah, this is going to be a super slicer. Let's check it out, guys, while we do the measurements. Okay, so we've got on the blades, we've got 6.5 centimeters, which is 2.5 inches. Okay, on the thickness now, it's 2.5 millimeters, just over, or 0.1 of an inch. Okay, the overall length of the knife, okay, which is decent, it's 15.5 centimeters, okay, or 6.25 inches. Now, of course, on the closed, okay, you've got 9.5 centimeters, all right, which is 3.75 of an inch. Now, the actual weight. Now, most of you who ever watch this know I like to guess, and that is, it's about 90 grams, 88 grams, something like that, you know, 89 grams, I think. 86 grams, guys, yeah, which is pretty good, isn't it? Or 3 ounces, bang on. You know, anything under 100 is nice. It's ideal for an EDC. So they've got that. This is lightweight, guys. It really is. It's very, very good, okay. What do I think on this? My final thoughts, guys. Well, overall, this is a super handy, compact carry, okay. That is rock solid and robust for hard, pardon my throat, for hard use, okay. as it's practical, very practical, well made, lightweight, and I think personally great value for money. Okay, and it's UK legal, of course. Definitely worth giving as a gift for a special occasion or a birthday or something. Okay, highly recommended. 5 stars, actually. 5 stars. I'm going to say 4.75 because of the pocket clip, but actually that's just my personal thing. 5 stars overall, value for money, very good. Highly recommended. Okay, guys, thanks very much for watching. Okay, for price and availability, see the links below. Show your support by giving us a like and by hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.